180. And then we are going to use our special right triangles today as well. So let's jump into it. Regular polygon we talked about a couple chapters ago. Regular means that it has congruent what and what. Anybody remember?
Sides and angles.
Sides and angles. So all of our sides are the same, and all of our angles are the same as well. We got like 4 different vocab things. The first one, I pronounce it opossum. I think it's technically apothum or something like that, but I just don't like the way that sounds. So anyway, to find your opossum, that's this thing right here, like GH. You go from the center, so it connects our center to the midpoint of any side. An example would be GH. I like to think of it as kind of like the height. Okay, so H is a midpoint and it goes to our center G. A central angle goes from our center and then connects down to 2 vertices. Vertices are like what make up your sides. Okay, so central angle goes from a vertex to the center to the next vertex. So an example here, we could use BGC, that angle. Cool thing, however many sides you have in your shape is how many central angles you have.
What did you have for examples?
BGC, sorry. The radius of a regular polygon connects our center to a vertex. This is different than our opossum because it is not a midpoint. So you could use GA, GF, GE, anything that connects a point to our center. What do you want to use? EG? How about that? Then to find your central angle, all you're going to do is take 360 divided by n, where n is the number of sides. So this one I believe is a hexagon. So this one you take 360 divided by 6, which gives us 60 degrees. So each of these is 60 degrees. Okay. To be honest, when it comes to doing this stuff, all you need to know is that this is our height. And then each of these is a side. Hopefully he knows that. Alright. We're going to start with our angle measures. So first off, number 1, this angle is talking about that central angle. Again, to find our central angle. So angle number 1. All we gotta do is take 360 divided by the number of sides we have. It's a pentagon, so how many sides? 5. So we take 360 divided by 5, which gives us math 72. So this whole angle here is 72. How do you think I find angle 2, which is just this little slice? Half it, yeah. Because this angle is the same as our central angle, a different one. So that has to be 72, and then this is cut in half. So to find angle 2, we're just going to take half of 72, our central angle. 26. Are you sure? 36. And then I'm going to blow this up for you real quick. So if I turn this on its side, We got angle 2 up here, we said was 36. How can I find angle 3? Subtract 180, 90, 36. So find angle 3, we're going to take 180 minus our angles in there, 90, 36. Then we are left with 54. Okay. We're gonna do it again. Angle 1, is that my central angle or no? Yeah. It goes from, it takes this side and connects it to my center. So angle 1, to find my central angle, all I gotta do is take 360 divided by, I only got half. Good thing the words tell us we got a regular octagon. Octagon means 8. So 360 divided by 8. Yeah, 45. So angle 1 is 45. Angle 2 is this little guy up here. How could I find angle 2?
Split 45 in half.
Split 45 in half. Austin, you with me?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Okay. Half of 45 is a decimal 22.5. Looking for that angle 3 again. How can I find it?
180 minus 90 minus 22.5.
Question. What's 180 minus 90? 90. So each of these, when you have 180 minus 90, you can actually just take 90 minus whatever angle 2 is. Or if you like the 180 minus 90 minus 22.5, they get the same thing. Should get 67.5. Questions there? Okay, let's do one more of those. In my square, Caleb, how can I find angle 1?
You take
Go Austin.
360 divided by 4.
Why 4?
That's how many sides there is.
Yeah, 360 divided by 4 is 90 degrees. So this guy's 90. Caleb, how can I find angle 2?
It's 45.
How do you get 45?
Because if it was a vertical, the other angle next to 2 would have been a 90. You just cut it in half.
Half of 90 is 45. So this guy's 45. Colin, how big is angle 3?
180 minus 90 minus 45.
180 minus 90 minus 45, or just 90 minus 45. Either way, 45 degrees. How do we feel about finding angles? Okay? Okay. We're gonna skip that one if that's okay with you. Area of a regular polygon, this is where it gets a little bit tricky, but that's okay, we'll survive. How we're gonna find this whole area is we're gonna break it down into congruent triangles. Okay? So if I split here and here, I have 3 congruent triangles. 1, 2, 3. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find the area of one of those triangles, and then just times it by 3 to find the whole thing. Okay, so eventually when we get down to area, we're gonna take the area of one triangle times the number In order to do that, I need to find a couple of things. My central angle measure, my apothem, and my side length. Well, this 6, remember I told you apothem is kind of like the height? Is this 6 going to be my central angle measure, apothem, or side length? My apothem, yeah. Because it's the height of my triangle. The central angle measure we said we could find because we do what? Yep, 365 sides, and this is a triangle, so I got 3 sides. So each of these angles is 120. Okay. The reason that we were practicing halving it before is because I want to look at this one triangle. So this triangle right here. If my central angle is 120, how much is this angle right here? 60, which means this angle is, well, look at this, we got a 30, 60, 90 triangle. I only care about the side length, so if I go back to here, how these match up, the side length is right here. So I don't even care about my hypotenuse. Okay, I just care about this side length. Well, 6 is my short side, so how do I get this long length?
6 square root of
6 square root of 3. Well, if that's only this, what do you think I do to 6 squared to get my whole side length? Yep, so this is 6 squared to 3. This is 6 squared to 3. So my whole side length is 12 squared to 3. So now we're just plugging into our formula. What is the area of a triangle formula? Half base height, so I got half. What's my base of this triangle? 12 squared to 3. This is my base. So 12 squared to 3. And the height of my triangle? 6. And then how many triangles did I say I'm going to have in here? 3. Okay. Just like before, you're going to ignore the square root of 3 for a second, and we're just going to multiply whole numbers, okay? So half of 12 is 6 times 6 is 36 times 3. Illinois. Did I do that?
Yep.
So you're just going to multiply the whole numbers,
How do you?
and then put square root behind it. And then what's my label for area? Meters squared. Okay. We got like 2 more examples of that. I know. Okay. Everybody got this down? Our square, my central angle is gonna look like this. How do I find central angle?
360 divided by 4.
360 divided by 4, which gives me 90. So let's blow up this triangle here. How much is this little angle? 45. This is 6. So is 6 my apothem?
No.
No, I want the height of my triangle. Okay, so 6, is it a side length of my square? No, it's hypotenuse. So we gotta do lots of math. If this is 45, 90, what's this angle? 45. Okay, who remembers the 45, 45 triangles?
Shouldn't it be 3 squared?
Go, Liam.
Would it just simply be 3 square root of 2?
Yes. So 3 squared to 2 here, 3 squared to 2 here. How it relates, my apothem is then how big? 3 squared to 2. Here's where it's tricky. This is 3 squared to 2, so my whole side of my square is what? Good. 3 squared to 2 plus 3 squared to 2 is 6 squared to 2. So now we're just using our formula. Triangle, I got half. The base of my triangle is my side length, which is
6 square root of 2.
6 squared root of 2. The height of my triangle is 3 squared root of 2. And then how many triangles do I have in my square? 4. Okay. Hopefully this math is a little easier. Half of 6 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9 times 4 is. Okay, so I got 36. What is the square root of 2 times the square root of 2? Square root of 4, which is 2. So this one you can simplify all the way down to 72 centimeters squared
So it'd be 36.
times 2. Because 36 is half times 6 times 3 times 4. That's what the 36 is.
Yeah.
And then the square root of 2 times square root of 2 is 2.
Oh.
So because you have 2 square roots,
Okay.
you can multiply those
Cancel
together.
each other out.
Does anyone else get like a Monday vibe?
You'll be fine. Okay,
So I was like partially gone Wednesday.
last one.
What
What does the 20 represent? Anything that I need? Not my apothem, not my side length, not my central angle. Yeah, it's my side length. My side length is 20.
6.
Austin, how many sides do I got here?
6.
So how do I find my central angle measure?
360 divided by 6.
Good deal. 360 divided by 6 leaves me with 60. So if I draw this little triangle guy, that angle
Pretty long division on how
60 degrees. It was long division. So then if I blow up my triangle here, my whole central angle is 60, so what's this little angle? 30. So we gotta split it. And this angle has to be, okay, here's the tricky part. We just cut this in half. So what's this side length?
Wait, what?
So we cut this in half.
10.
So instead of it being 20, this is 10.
Oh.
Don't care about my hypotenuse. All I care about is my height. So short leg to long leg. How big is my height?
10
10
squared
squared root of 3. Good.
3.
So that is my apothem. 10 squared root of 3. Area. Half. What's my base?
10 squared root of 3.
10,
Base.
20,
Height.
10,
10 squared root of 3. How many triangles am I going to have?
6.
6. This one you might need help with, maybe we'll see. Oh, what's half of 20? 10 times 10. 100 times 6. 600 squared root of 3 labeled meters squared. So when there's only one square root, ignore it. If there's two, they will probably cancel each other out. Questions?